Yes, here we are guys, here in May. Here we are, corner of Vulture Street East, at the Gabba. There's the Gabba football grounds over there, cricket grounds. And this is this building. We're working on this house here, which we slid, which was over there, and now over here. And this is what they've built so far. This is the first floor of this 3-story block of units. So you've got the garage underneath and 2 more stories to go above this. And getting ready to pour. They're pouring concrete tomorrow. It's Saturday. Okay, and yes, they've got it all prepared. I think they've got 1 or 2 other things they've still got to do before the pour, but otherwise it's pretty well done. They had it all done yesterday. All checked for heights, double checked everything. So they're pretty right. Just got a couple of little finishing things to do before they pour. Well, we're here finally to do this thing. It's been raised, and yeah, you haven't seen when you see the videos on this thing, you'll know where it was, but I wasn't able to stand up underneath it where I'm standing now a week ago, and there it is. It's up there. She's 4.7 meters off the ground at the back, just over there. You can see that concrete pier. That's 4.7 from there to the underside of that steel. 4.7 meters. So she's up there.